The remix tool analyzes your music and automatically creates cuts where needed, adjusting the track length to match your video duration. No more tedious crossfades or repetitive editing cycles. Just drag your track, click on the remix tool icon, you'll find it right here on your screen, and watch as Premiere Pro does the rest. It's that simple. This feature is a game changer, especially if you create tutorials, vlogs, or any content where music timing is crucial. Now, why is this tool important? Well, it saves you heaps of time and efforts, allowing you to focus more on crafting your content rather than wrestling with audio edits. Anyone who edits videos, whether you're just a beginner or seasoned creator, can benefit from this feature. Imagine being able to effortlessly adjust music length for any video project. From short clips to lengthy tutorials, it's a lifesaver for content creators looking to streamline their workflow. Now, let's walk through the steps together. First, open Premiere Pro and import your video along with a music track. Drag the track onto your timeline where you need to fit. Hover over the remix tool icon, located here on your screen, and drag the song to the desired endpoint of your video. Premiere Pro will analyze the track and create cuts automatically, indicated by these squiggly lines you'll see. Play it back, and voila, your music fits perfectly.